The next tool we're going to cover is the Layouts UV. Let me open a bit of space here and move this to one side. The Layouts UV will represent how the material is going to be presented in all the faces. And you can see here all the faces literally corresponding to every one of them. And of course, as you know, every face is a square, and this square is divided into two triangles. And here you can see the definition of how these are going to be presented, how they're going to be a part of the entire map, of the entire UV map. Now, one thing that I use in these cases is particularly the scale. And the scale is because sometimes when you bring the material here, you have like, it is too zoom, it is too close. And what I do is trying to play with these values until I get exactly the value or zooming out until I get exactly the value that I want for the scale of the particular material. The difference between this one and the previous tool is that in this case, this scale applies to all sides of these materials. So it is basically applies to the entire structure of this UV. In the other case, you can work with one side in particular. You can rotate it, you can scale it, you can work in a different way, but you can handle just one element. In this case, we're talking about the entire object, and this is a generic way. Let's accept this, and now we'll continue with the next one.